What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tymarrahgi, and today we are doing a extendo pink polygel nail set with encapsulated glitter and a little cute little butterflies and some jewels. So I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of talk you guys through the process. Now, before we even get into everything, mind you, I am new to doing nails. I'm not a professional, didn't go to nail school. This is just something that I like to do, and I'm just showing you guys along the way. So please don't be in my comments with all of that unnecessary because it's not called for. But we are putting the nails on, you guys. I kind of buffed the nail before I put it on there. This was my first time doing this, so you guys are kind of gonna see the struggles that I kind of had, being that I am a beginner. So yeah, I put all the nails on there and I went ahead and buffed them, but I kind of feel like I could have buffed them a little bit more. But now I'm just cutting them down to how I wanted my nails to be. And I know most people that do extra long sets, they make their pinky be as big as everything else, but I kind of made my sizes kind of mismatch, but still make sure they was long because I still want to be able to function with these nails. So now you see me taking my nail file, and this is just a Model 1's nail file that I had from a regular polygel set, and I'm just gonna try to blend those two nails in, y'all. I was sitting here all day, y'all. It took me 8 hours to do these nails, 4 hours per hand. I did one hand at night and I did the other hand the next day in the morning. So now I'm just taking my dehydrator, and I got this dehydrator from Amazon. If you guys want to know where I got my products, I do have a nail haul on my channel. The link will be for that as well. I'm sorry if that kind of went by kind of fast. I just didn't want this video to be too long, but I'm using my extra bond. That was supposed to help not burn your nails a little bit when you put them in the UV light. But I'm just taking my base coat. When you put the base coat on, I feel like it kind of blends more, kind of give you more of a smoother surface. So I'm putting my base coat on first before I go ahead and put my polygel on, and you guys are going to see the difference that it makes once you take it out of the UV light. And you guys, a little tip, when you put it on this base coat, make sure you do it as neat as possible because the base coat will dry on your fingers and it will look like kind of glue a little bit. So make sure you be careful when putting on the base coat. So make sure you are very careful and you wipe the sides and stuff like that, just to make sure, because I made that mistake so many times doing my nails and I'm like, what is this on my nail? And it's the base coat because it ran over my fingers. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm putting my hand in UV light. It be burning me sometimes, y'all. Y'all tell me why that happens. I be having put it in, take it out, put it in, and then let it sit, because I can't take that burning in the beginning, y'all. Y'all tell me why it be burning. I don't know why it be burning. But I'm just taking my Model 1's white polygel, and I'm gonna go ahead and just start spreading the polygel. I have 3 different types of brushes that I work with. I don't know why I do that. I see most people work with one brush, but I just be feeling having 3 brushes kind of helps me along the way, being that I am a beginner. So I don't know, that's just what I do. I mean, I wouldn't recommend get 3 brushes, but that's just something that helps me. So I am using my alcohol to spread the polygel, and that's kind of why I like polygel, because the alcohol is way better than acetone. And when I did my acrylic toes, I did my acrylic big toe and I did acrylic toe set, the acetone, my mom had to open up all the windows and do everything because of the smell. It was just too much. So I have acrylic and I really want to work with acrylic, but every time I decide to do my nails, it be late, so I can't go outside when it's late. I might try to open my window or something. I don't know. I'm gonna see if y'all know how to get acrylic smell out, if y'all know how to work with acrylic in your house without the smell, please let me know of some ways, because I really want to work with my acrylic, but I don't want to like kill everybody in my house with the smell. So y'all, as you guys can see, it does take some time to blend this in, so be very patient, but the outcome is very nice. So you guys, be very patient when you're blending, because you want the best outcome as possible. So yeah, I just really took my time for this. Really, what really took me the most time for this set was the shaping, because I'm still new at this and I did not cut my sides for real before I started adding my polygel. So I had a lot of shaping to do, but you guys are going to see along the way. Now I am taking my Model Ones in soft pink, and this is from a Model Ones a Model Ones polygel set. So you guys will see that in my haul as well. So like I said before, it's going to be in the cards, and it's going to be at the end of this video. No, it's going to be in the cards, so you can click to see that video. But I'm just doing the same technique, and I'm just trying to kind of spread it. And you guys, y'all want to know something funny? When I was recording this, I don't know why recording nail videos is such a hassle for me. I don't know why. I just be feeling like recording it is such a hassle, because I be doing so much stuff and the video be like 2 hours long. Like the video be like so long. It be so long, because I be cutting it sometimes, like just to make sure it's not too long, but the videos be so long and I just be having it. It's just such a hassle. I don't know why. I just dread recording. Like I like doing it, but like recording it, I be like, come on. But my next set is going to be a short set, and it's going to be like a quick and easy set for you guys to do. So I'm really excited about my next set. So my next set I should be having it up by probably next week, or probably in a couple days maybe. But yeah, I'm real excited about this set that I have coming up. But this set was really cute. But me personally, long nails are cute, but I don't really like long nails, because when I was editing, it was hard like tapping even to get inside my computer, because I have a MacBook Pro and you have like the finger touch to open your computer, and it was hard trying to like, it was so hard, y'all, for me managing these nails. But I kind of did it pretty well. I slammed my finger in the door the second day I did this set, and I was so mad, because I'm like 8 hours just for me to slam my finger in the door and my nail broke. But I glued it back, and it lasted pretty well. Okay, so now I am taking my Macart pink. It's like a jelly pink color. Well, for Macart, the numbers is, I guess that's like the color, because it didn't show me any name colors. It just showed me those numbers, and that did come in a set. Like I said, you can see it in my other video, but this did come in a set. It came with a darker strawberry pinkish color, it came with a clear, and it came with this pink. But you know, I just kind of wanted to like mix match my colors and like try different things. So yeah, like I said before, I'm just using the same methods that I'm using, and like I said, take your time. And I kind of tried to make my nails thick. I guess that's why it took me so long, and I kind of made them too thick. I kind of made some of my nails too thick, so it really took me a long time like filing down. And I used my e-file and my hand file, so it did take me a while to shape these nails and make them the right amount like of flatness and thickness at the same time. So when you're doing polygel nails, just try to make a good layer. Try to make it easier for you to where you don't have to do as much filing and using your e-file, because you will save time. I'm still trying to get used to that, because some polygel is just hard, and some polygels to smushy. Like, I don't know, y'all. I'm still getting used to this. But on the other hand, using the alcohol and not having the smell while doing your nails, that is the benefit. But you do have to really get in there and try. And I'm sorry, you guys, if you guys couldn't see me really doing my like cuticle area with the polygel. My head was in the way, and I was so mad because I didn't even realize until I started editing. Like, my head was in the way. I was so mad. Okay, so I'm talking, I'm not even looking at what I'm doing. So I use my base coat, and I'm just putting on the glitter. This came in a glitter set that I got off of Amazon. Everything that I really use for my nails, I got off of Amazon. And I did use a little cup because last time somebody was saying that I spilled the glitter all over, and I was just like, dang. So, you know, saving my glitter, I just put a little cup under, but I did still kind of spill some. But as you can see, I'm using my Gresham Clear Polygel, and I know I said I had a McCart Clear, but I just had this big Gresham Clear, and I didn't open my Clear McCart. So, I mean, they're kind of the same to me. I guess Clear Polygel works so easier for me. I don't know why. That spread it so easy. I said spread it. Is that even a word? Spread it? Spread. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm just shaping my nails, and I'm going to be shaping and use my e-file, but for this look, I don't know why, I mostly used my hand file to shape my nails because the drill bits that came with my e-file, they don't work for me. I don't know why. They don't work that much. So I'm going to order some new e-files to make the process so much easier for me. Because the drill that I have is amazing, but the e-files are terrible on there. So I'm going to try to get me some new drill bits so I can make the process so much easier. And if you guys know any good drill bits, go ahead and drop that down below so I can go ahead and purchase them. You would be greatly appreciated. And you guys, as much as filing as I did to try to make this look perfect, I still feel like my filing could have been a little bit better, like on the square of the nails. I could have felt like that could have been like a little bit more square. So shaping is something that I'm really going to practice on because shape is everything. And I feel like my shape could have been like a little bit more better than it was. But I was super tired when it came to this point, so I was just ready to get done. Okay, so now that we're all shaped and filed, I'm gonna go ahead and start designing my nails. I use these little decals. I think they're called decals. You're supposed to put them in the water, and then when you take them off the water, it comes right off, and you just put it on the nail. But I don't know why this clip, I put it on the nail, and then I kind of didn't like the way it looked, so I took it off, and you guys are gonna see me put it right back on, so you guys can kind of see how it looks. So yeah, it's coming up. Yep, right here. So I put some base coat on the nail, and I would recommend you put base coat on your nail and then put the butterfly on there like you see me doing. That works really well, and I just let that sit, and I didn't cure it yet. And I'm just putting some jewels around my cuticle on the pink finger, and then you guys are going to see me put a little bit more jewels on my fingers. But I cure my nails as I do each nail just to make sure so everything won't be out of place. I just do that. And you guys, I'm so sorry. I didn't get me putting my cuticle oil on my nails, and I didn't get me putting my top coat on my nails. So after you guys see me do this, you guys are going to see me putting my hand in the UV light, taking it out, and showing you guys the finished product. I'm so sorry. Yes, you guys, here you go. Here it goes. Like, you guys are just gonna see how they look like right after I got done. I was really happy about how they came out, but I wish I could have got how they looked on the finished product. But if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time.